Hey guys, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We are frying up some pork chops today. Look at these nice big pork chops. We got an electric skillet out right here and some lard. This is what we're using. We're just going to put it into the skillet here, let that get all warmed up and bubbly hot. Billy's laughing at me for some reason because I'm trying to do it by myself, probably. Woo! We made it back from vacation, all in one piece, and he's ready to go back because it's like 5 degrees here and 55 there. Aren't you? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm going to crank this up, get this all heating up. And now we have pork chops here. And I have self-rising flour here. You don't have to use self-rising. Use whatever you want. If you want to dip it in egg and milk beforehand, you do you, boo. I'm putting some onion powder in it. Just about whatever you think. And I'm putting some garlic powder on there. And I'm going to put some cayenne because we like a little cayenne on ours. Get that out of there. Mix that all up. We'll put a little bit of salt and pepper on here. I don't even know if we're even going to have a side today. We are absolutely ready for some fried pork chops from home. Okay, look at these big pork chops, how thick that baby is. Woo! Put it over here. Pat down that flour on there. Like I said, you can roll this in milk or egg, whatever you want to do. But we are just doing flour. Whew, these things are huge. They're going to have to be frying for a while. But I like my little electric skillet, though, for stuff like this. Or I have an iron skillet, but I like the electric skillet like this. Should have got a bigger plate, looks like. Whew. All right, guys, got it breaded. Get ready to drop her down in there. Let's see if it's hot enough, though. Yep, that baby's hot. Doesn't take long for them to heat up. Put that one down in there. We'll give this one another little dunk in the flour. Put that one in there. Woo! That fills it up. Put a little bit more salt and pepper in there. Can't have enough for us. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on it. And we'll show you when we're done. Alright guys, I just took the lid off of it. And there's what they look like. Get ready to turn them. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Look at that. I'll cover them back up and we'll be back when they get done. Alright guys, the pork chops are done. Look how crispy those look. I'll put them both in this plate right here. Look at that. I fried them on 350, and then I turned it down to about 325 or 300. And we got some baked beans to go with it. So guys, if you like this video, so like, share, subscribe, comment, and help us grow. And look at those delicious pork chops. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.